Hi you guys, I am back with another wonderful video, and guess what? It is a treat and it has a little secret in here, okay? It's how I get my braid styles, my micros when someone don't want to sit for a long time, and I end up doing the front in micros and the back with the weaving tracks. I know a lot of people do this, but what I don't know they do, and the trick that I do is I keep my weave tracks from showing by taking a couple of the micros from the front and actually stitching them to the track. You guys, this will keep the track from being exposed. I don't care what kind of wind is blowing. And then when you're styling your hair, you don't ever have to worry about making sure that you got enough of those micros going toward the back to cover those tracks. You always have them covered. This is my technique, and this is a secret that I'm giving to you guys. I told you I would have some secrets for you, and this is one of them. And trust me, there are so much more secrets I'm telling on my other videos. So I want you guys to truly stay posted, turn on those post notifications, and try to, stay updated, because not only am I doing this contest, I'm doing other contests, and I'm just doing a lot of great videos where you'll be getting some information from. Now, not every video I'm giving out secrets with, okay? Some videos I'm just doing videos, but there will be the ones like this one that I am definitely giving out secrets. So for all of you guys that are waiting, my subscribers, because you have to be subscribed in order to enter this contest, we are on, let me see, this video is actually video number 11, okay? And this letter in this video is the letter E. E as in everyone. Everyone can join into this contest, but first they have to push the subscribe button. Thumbs up. Let me know you're out there. Let me know you want me to put out more of these videos with some of these secrets I'm putting in here. So if you guys can do that, I will constantly keep putting up quality videos and trying to do, some fun things also. But in the meanwhile, I want you to sit back, check out this video, and listen to the music that I'm about to play. Quick note, what I'm doing is I am taking just a few, maybe a row of the micros, and I am covering the very top track that is exposed, because the way I do my weave-ins, the only track that is exposed is a very little piece and the little strip in the top. The rest of them are covered. Now, if you guys want me to do a full video from start to finish of a particular style like this one, just let me know down in the comments, and I will try my best to, micros are, they take a while, but I have a lot of people that get them done, and I'll get someone, who I'll do their hair, and I will videotape it for you from start to finish, but only if you guys let me know in the comments that these are the things that you want to see. Otherwise, I'm just going to go on to something else. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and always turn on those post notifications so you will know when the next video is uploaded. And once again, the letter for this video is E. E for everyone. Thanks for watching, and continue to enjoy this video. Bye!
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
you know I'm chillin' on the dark side. Do a favor, let me know when you come through. Ass cheeks, keep 'em separated like apartheid. Psych bitch, I'm already cheating on you. You can see me, oh my god, I've been cheating all along. Think it's kinda sad too. She ain't even got my rock, she's just feeding off my god. I've been trying to smash too. Last time I think I seen her painted in a bar fight. She chill, but she wasn't really freaky like you. Just saying, I'ma be fucking with you all night, all night, all night. Call your girl, let her know that we're coming on through. You can leave me, oh my god, I've been cheating all along.